Okay, the purpose of this video is to learn how to draw using the famous whiteboard under Microsoft Meet. So we can see now that we have here shapes. So we can choose, for example, square shape like this. And we can use the pen to draw the curvature. So for example, we are going to draw a curve like this. And as you can see, this is a feature in the setting called Enhance Inked Shape Automatically. This is very important to have this result. Okay. Now, we can draw another one. As you can see, it's getting better and better as you practice. So we have another curve. This part is called indifference curves in economics. Now we can draw a budget line like this. And according to this budget line, we would have equilibrium. And the equilibrium part would be decided by the tangent point between you can see we can adjust the tangency point. Okay. And this tangency point is considered as equilibrium. And accordingly, we can use this dotted line. You can start anywhere. Then you make adjustments later. The positioning of the equilibrium points. As you can see. And you can repeat this again for the vertical distance. So you have to select first, and it's very important, don't forget about that. Otherwise, you are going to move the whole shape. So now we have the equilibrium point, and you can use also back-end shapes. So you can have also a text to decide the name of the horizontal axis, for example, quantity X. And you do the same for the vertical axis as quantity Y. Sorry. And now we have equilibrium point in which we can also decide this is Y1. And don't forget to select before you move, so we can move this part. To have neat drawing, and we can repeat this again also for X1 here. Voila, you have already the equilibrium using the indifference curve. And for the first time, we use the famous whiteboard under Teams. Other shapes can also be drawn. For example, we would have U shape, and this is also very easy. Again, we can start here. Second graph. And this will give you automatically the vertical axis and horizontal axis. And back to the pen. Again, we can, for example, use this shape. As you can see, the beauty of the automatic enhancement. And this would be, for example, average total cost. And this is average variable cost. And this would be the marginal cost. Almost perfect. Okay. And you can do the same with the vertical axis and decide also the points as we explained before. Thank you for this. I hope you are going to enjoy the features of Whiteboard. Thank you.